welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing and a little bit different unboxing. I've talked about being a pink zebra consultant or pink zebra lady, and I'm very excited because I just purchased the bundle for this month, which is the Boss Lady Simmer Pot and Boss Lady Sprinkles. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with the sprinkles first. I'll show you kind of how those work. So they always come in these fun boxes, and it has the label on top, and it says Boss Lady Soft Cherry Blossom. Sharpie's playing in the back. Soft cherry blossoms nestled with amber greens and soft oriental woods laced with pure vanilla bean and musk. So I think you guys can see that. I guess I could double check, huh? There you go. So let's go ahead and get this out. So they are super pretty pink sprinkles, and I'm going to give it a little bit of a sniff here. I feel like, first of all, for those of you who don't know, our sprinkles are made from soy wax, and we support local soybean farmers, so a little of this goes a long way, guys. It's for sure. I think they said that a scoop lasts like 3 days in a 20 by 20 room. Of course, you might go nose blind. Everybody's nose is a little bit different. But, so yeah, these are our sprinkles. So that's what came in the bundle. And also in the box, we're starting to add a card that talks about how, you know, this supports local U.S. soybean farmers. So that you guys get an idea about that part. So that's our sprinkles. Now let's open the Simmer Pot. Now, I'm going to tell you, I've been so excited to get this as we've been redoing the office. So we have a new line called Happy Thought Simmer Pots. And like I said, this is a bundle for October. I don't think it's going to go longer than October. Sometimes they do. Sometimes if they have some extras, they'll keep it, or it'll come back for another one. And another thing they've started adding are these cards. Let's see, where am I at? There we go. About who assembled it, because we've been working really hard at Pinks. Like Pink Zebra has been working really hard at helping single moms and helping veterans. And so they've been adding the picture of the person who assembled it, and so that you get to know that you're actually like changing somebody's life through the purchase of our product. All right, here comes the foam part. I'm going to take this off and come right back. They're adding new packing foam. Do this really carefully. Make sure you guys can see. So here is our warming dish. And you can see our little paisley zebra in there. Always fun. And then this little light is this is the little indicator light saying that, oh, your simmer pot is on. And here it is, Boss Lady. It is so cute. So this is your heating element here. And it's just such a perfect little, it's not super huge. I love it. It's gonna look perfect on my desk. So if any of you boss ladies out there think you might need one of these, I'll put a link in the description below. Yes, I do make a commission when, you know, someone purchases a product. That's kind of how that independent consultant thing works. But know that like you're not charged anymore for it. I don't want to say it's like an affiliate link, because I guess I'm affiliated with them, but I'm a consultant. So if you think this is really cute, or you want to check out some of our other ones, go ahead. There's a link in the description below for all my boss lady friends out there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye, boss ladies.